Today we're making a delicious hearty beef and mushroom skillet, an easy comforting meal that's perfect for busy weeknights. It's similar to stroganoff but without the noodles. It's super versatile.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First, add 2 pounds of ground beef to a large skillet and start browning it over medium to medium-high heat. As you can see, there's quite a bit of fat, so you'll want to drain that off to keep things lean and tidy. Once the beef is drained, toss in half of a diced onion and cook for about a minute to soften. Then add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for another 15 seconds, just enough to release that amazing aroma. Now move the beef to one side of the pan and add half a stick of unsalted butter. Once it melts, add a 16-ounce container of sliced portobello mushrooms. To help the mushrooms soak up the butter, I like to add a little avocado oil. Let them saute for a couple of minutes, stirring occasionally until they start to brown. Then stir everything together. Now season with salt and pepper to taste. Next, add a packet of Lipton onion mushroom soup mix and a packet of McCormick brown gravy mix. These will give it that rich, savory flavor. Pour in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and 2 cups of beef broth. Now give everything a good stir to combine all those delicious flavors. Bring it to a simmer, then cover and let it cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. This lets all those flavors melt together beautifully. It's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look. You will notice it thicken and create a delicious creamy gravy. Once it's done, sprinkle some chopped fresh parsley on top for a burst of freshness. I love serving this on a bed of creamy mashed potatoes, but it also works great with rice or egg noodles. And there you have it, a quick, simple, and incredibly flavorful beef and mushroom skillet. Perfect for a cozy dinner. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!